So I am making some peanut butter M&M brownies from scratch. First, you take 2 ounces of chocolate, unsweetened, which would be 2 squares, and you put it in the pan with 1 stick of butter. Melt it all together. Then you take 1 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and you mix that together. 2 eggs, 1 at a time, stir it in. Then half a cup of flour, which makes the consistency of the brownie. Then take a bag of M&M's, peanut butter, put 1 cup inside, stir it till it's smooth. While you're doing all of this mixture, make sure you preheat your oven to 350. Take an 8x8 inch pan, baking dish, spray it with canola oil, and then pour the brownie mix into the pan. I'm going to do that right now. You may want to get a spatula. Sorry for the long pause there, trying to get everything out of the pan. Now, if you ever want to know this recipe, I don't know if they always have it, because this was for Valentine's, and it was on the Valentine's Day edition of the M&M peanut butter. But it says to sprinkle a cup or half a cup of milk chocolate candies, M&Ms, or peanut butter M&Ms on top before you place it into the oven. I personally think there's enough M&Ms inside the brownies, especially since I'm diabetic. So I'm going to stick it in the oven. And then I'll have it for dinner, after dinner tonight for dessert. So, 25 minutes was not enough. So I put it on for another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes. We're going to put the toothpick in, pull it out, see if anything sticks to the toothpick, because it stuck to the toothpick after 25 minutes. Okay? Okay. Don't think I want to sit here and wait 4 more minutes. So I got 34 minutes left. I'm so excited! Brownies! Brownies! Wanna make me some brownies? Even got Captain excited! Ah! Make sure you put on an oven mitt. Or two. Mmm. That looks good, yeah. Toothpick? Mmm. Still little brown stuff come off with it. Maybe another 5 minutes. Might have to put the light on in the oven this time. Okay, it was only 1 minute. So a total of 6 minutes after the 25 would be 31 minutes. And then you have a beautiful brownie. Mmm. Oh! Come with me if you want to live! Yeah! It's gonna be so good!